titled How to Hide Meta AI on WhatsApp Permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to hide or remove the Meta AI icon from your WhatsApp permanently. If you're annoyed by this new update, don't worry, we've got the fix. Step 1. Check WhatsApp version. First, open WhatsApp and check your version. The Meta AI icon usually appears in the latest updates. To check, go to Settings, then Help, and tap on App Info to see your version number. Step 2. Look for Meta AI Settings option. Now, some users have the option to turn off Meta AI directly from WhatsApp settings. Go to Settings, then Chats, and scroll down. If you see an option related to Meta AI or Assistant, simply disable it. Step 3. Revert to an older version of WhatsApp. If the option isn't available, you'll need to uninstall the current WhatsApp version and install an older one. Just search for WhatsApp APK old version on a trusted website, download it, and install. Step 4. Turn off auto updates. To keep the old version and avoid Meta AI from coming back, go to the Play Store, search WhatsApp, tap the three dots in the top right corner, and uncheck Enable Auto Update. Bonus tip, use WhatsApp Business. Another trick is switching to WhatsApp Business. It currently doesn't show the Meta AI icon for many users. It works just like normal WhatsApp. And that's it. You've successfully hidden Meta AI from WhatsApp. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to How to Mastery for more useful guides. See you in the next one.